Hello creative friends, Marjolaine here with Gel Press and Faith Impressions. Today I'll be using heat embossed powder to create a resist. Today I started with arranging my title the way I wanted it on my page. I then used an acrylic plate to pick up my stamps. Next, I apply Versamark to my stamps and press the stamps down onto my page. Once I have my ink down, I immediately pour some white embossing powder onto the wet ink and pour the excess powder back into the jar. I tap the page a few times to ensure that no extra powder remains. I use a heat tool to set the embossing powder. Next, I apply dye ink to my gel plate from the Faith Impressions kit. I use the Gel Press Economy brayer to blend the colors together. I especially want to avoid teardrop shapes from the ink pad. Next, I press the plate down on my page. I will repeat this step many times to build on the layers and make the colors pop. At this point, I decided that I want ink on the rest of the page because I can easily still read the text through the ink. Here I'm moving my gel plate close to the edge of my acrylic plate so that I can get ink all the way to the crease on the page. Now I'm using the heart from the Faith Impressions kit to add a journaling spot on my page. I use a black journaling pen to add some doodle stitches around the heart, the letters, and the border. Since Father's Day is in a couple of days, I wanted to journal a Bible verse about fathers, and I chose Matthew 6:8. That talks about our Heavenly Father. It says your Father knows what you need before you ask Him. It talks about how we don't need to go on and on in our prayers and use so many words. To add another layer of interest, I use my favorite script stamp and some distress ink on top of the color that I have down already. To finish off my page, I use a white gel pen to doodle and to journal. That's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and will click the like button. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button to the Gel Press channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.